Hello traders, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. Today I am going to show you a powerful price action trading technique. In this technique is involved a trend analysis and technical analysis. Okay, I am going directly and showing my strategies. Here you can see it's a trading view charts. I am taking my position in this Zerodha Kite platform. Okay, right now I am showing trading view website. Why? Because it is very nice to see technical drawings. Okay, I'm showing and then it's my personal blog. You can also visit this blog and read more intraday strategies and ideas. What I am following, I shared directly this website, so please visit this website. What are the trades I am taking? I'm getting snapshots and I'm regularly posting articles in this blog. Okay, here you can see a trend line. It breaks the trend. Okay, it is a first confirmation. Okay, you can see another view. It is also called channel pattern. Here you can see I am drawing channel. See here, it's a descending channel pattern. Okay, it's very simple, anyone can understand this technique. It's a channel pattern, descending channel pattern. When it breaks the high, you can take entry. Okay, then you have another doubt, where I am enter and where is my target. Okay, I'm showing you. Here you see it's a channel pattern and I'm drawing support and resistance for your understanding purpose. Okay, it's a resistance line, red line is a resistance line and green line is support line. Okay, you are entered at a support line because buyers are waiting to buy at support. Here you can see I entered 347. Here buyers are entered, a bullish movement will be happen, then the candlestick also respect the price moves up. Okay, here a resistance, the resistance line is seller's entry point. Okay, whenever you are trying to sell at the top of the market, it gives huge profit. Whenever you are going to buy at low of the support, it gives high returns. Okay, first you can understand a support and resistance. Okay, what is support and how can I find that? Here you can see support a particular range, the green line is a level, the price touches first time, then it rejected, moves upward, then it touches again, it also rejected, then moves upward. Sorry, this line, it's a second touch, it's a second touch, then it's a third touch. Here you see upside, resistance, first touch, second touch and third touch, support, first touch, second touch, this is the third touch. So you confirmed the price will be reversed here in this point. Why? Because following the history of the market, previous history gives a good idea. Here you can see a rejection, 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 here also rejections. So this level is very strong level, it is a perfect support line. It gives good accuracy in the market. So do paper trade. Here you see the support respects very well. The price moves to the resistance. Then the seller are enter at this point. If you are buyer, enter at this point and cover your profit at the resistance or near the resistance. Okay, don't wait the price till touching resistance. Okay, don't be aggressive. Cover your profit with a decent levels. You get decent profit, then you can cover your profits. Here you can see you can sell at resistance. It's another opportunity to trade at the high of the market. You can sell at high and buy at low. Whenever the resistance will be breaked, then waiting for retest, and then you can go for buying entry. Okay, many times a false breakout also happens, so be careful following this technique. It's very high accuracy. It gives me a good profit, so I am sharing you. So please use this technique with the help of paper trade. Try to do more paper trades for more idea. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, kindly visit my blog. I am sharing my ideas. That's it. It's totally free. You can also use this every time, everywhere, using mobile phones and computers. This website is available at mobile and computers, so you can also view this website at any time. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. They are the simple steps: sell at resistance, buy at support. Here I am drawing green line at support and red line at resistance. Okay, whenever the price moves upward, whenever the price close above the support, it moves a resistance, because the closing price is a confirmation. Whenever the price reversed, you can exit at minimum profit. Okay, don't try to carry stocks with overconfidence. Use this technical analysis to get more profit. Thank you so much.